Hi, this is Dr. Sai, your anti-aging expert from Skin Sensation Cosmetology. Now, do you feel happy when you inject Botox for your wrinkle treatment? Well, I simply felt very happy. As you can see, my eyes went on from this to this. So the feeling was very nice. But I am here to tell you specifically that results of this study published in PubMed in 2022, which is a online database for medical literature, stated that Botox also has a antidepressive action. This is through a biofeedback mechanism, especially when given Botox in the frown lines and a person is unable to make expressions of anger after the Botox gets into action. The brain stops sending negative impulses, thereby giving an impression that you are happy. So if you guys feel happy after getting your wrinkle treatments Botox, comment on the sections below and we at Skin Sensation will offer you 50% discounts on all Botox anti-aging treatments to make you wrinkle free.